name's Christopher Burns, Boston Metro High Railers Club at 5 Waltham Street, Wilmington. And I've been in the club for about 25 years. The club was formed in the mid-1990s, maybe about 1994, 1995. That's just a generic name for Boston area Lionel and similar train. Goal for the club is enjoyment of the members and education of the local populace in railroad history and toy train history and how to use electricity to power all of these trains and carpentry and scenery building and all sorts, everything else that's associated with model railroading. We have monthly business meetings, usually the first Thursday of each month. The club is open for members pretty much 24 hours a day. We each have access to the entrance doors. And then we have at least 2 open houses each year, generally one in December near the holidays, and then this one in April. The layout is a mythical railroad that ran from the coal mines in and around Scranton, Pennsylvania to Seaport in Portland, Maine, and moving coal and other goods to and from the seaport. Our plan is to continue working on the club layout. The next big project is to install a wooden trestle in one corner of the layout and to do more of the scenery, make the mountains look more like Scranton, Pennsylvania, make the Portland area look more like a seaport. We were down one floor. The landlord made it worth us our while to move up to this upstairs area so he could lease out that area to a local business.
My name is Tyler. Actually, I'm new to the club with the Boston High Railers for about a month now. Right now, as you can see coming down the track soon, I'm operating an H10 280, and it's a Pennsylvania steam locomotive.
What's your favorite section of the layout?
Probably the Portland Loop on the opposite side where the station meets the Strasburg on the opposite side, and it runs through. And the sub lines. It can run underneath and on the side.
And what's your favorite part about being in the club?
The events we get to go to, the nice club members we have here, and just running trains, because this is the only place I get to really run my O-gauge trains. So, yeah, it's a good time.